Alright, so we have a Rosemount Pressure Transmitter. It was made in USA. So today I'm going to show you how to decipher the model, which is 2088 G2S22A16. So how to know what this model suggests? So let's go for the first one, 2088. According to the datasheet, 2088 means it's a pressure type transmitter, which means it detects the pressure of the fluid or in the system or of the media which is in that particular system. The second one is it is a G-type transmitter. A G-type means that there are two types of measurement. One is the absolute measurement and the second one is the gauge measurement. Absolute measurement is based upon setting the 0 point as absolute 0, while as the gauge pressure depends on setting the 0 point as atmospheric pressure. So gauge, for your information, gauge pressure is a little bit less accurate compared to the absolute one. So let's move on to the second one, that is the 2 numeric. So now what does the 2 numeric stands for? Well, according to the data sheet, it means that it has a pressure range of minus 14.7 to 150 psi. So this is the 2088G. Okay, let's go on to the next one, that is it is an S. So S means that it has a transmitter output. So whenever transmitter is actually located or wherever it is situated, it actually transmits the signals to the DCS and PLC systems, which detects the pressure. Now that is used. So what is the criteria? That is the 4 to 20 milliamp DC HART protocol. So that is, there are two types, one is 1 to 5 and one is 4 to 20. So moving on to the next one, that is 22A. Now that is actually a material of construction. So what is the material of construction? It means that the process connection, as you can see at the bottom, there's a process connection of, that's called a diaphragm. So that diaphragm is actually the material is 316L SST stainless steel, and as well as all the connections over here, they are also made of the same material. Okay, these are the covers just to avoid the dust and other contaminations. So moving on to the next one, which is, it is A. So A stands for 1 by half dash 14 NPT male. That means the process connection is 1 by half 14 NPT female. So this is a female. Okay, that's a female connection. Now moving on to the next one, that is 1C6. So 1 stands for the cable entry, the conduit cable entry. So this is the cable entries. This is where the cable comes in, and you can see over here it has a connections. So the cable comes in, this is a communication cable, it goes here, that's a power cable, it goes there, and that's it, voila. Okay, so that's a cable entry. And lastly, the C6 refers to as the Canada explosion proof certification. So that's the certification, the Canada explosion proof intrinsic division 2. That means it must be situated in an explosion proof environment where there is a high risk of explosion. So it has an enclosure which can protect it from explosions. So that's it for today. Thank you.